All right, number 20. It says, which number line best represents the solution to the inequality 3.3w minus 9 greater than negative 22.2? I want you to translate. Translate what you know. Está buscando que ya saben. This is fast. Eso es rápido. ¿Cuál línea numérica representa la solución para esto? Para este inequality. So remember, 3.3w minus 9 greater than negative 22.2. I have my steps. Take away the constants. So my constant is going to be the number, just the number with no letter. Mi constante es el número que no tiene la letra, so that is 9. What is the opposite? What is the inverse? If you hear inverse, si ustedes oyen inverse, it means opposite. What is the inverse of negative? El opuesto de negativo is plus 9. Plus 9. This cancels. So I bring down 3.3w greater than. I have negative and positive. Which one has more? ¿Cuál hay más? Negativo, positivo. Negative wins. And then I subtract. This is 2. This is 3. This is 1. Negative 13.2. And now I divide. Y ahora divido. Because the opposite. So here I have to do get the variable alone. I got a variable solo. So I'm multiplying, so multiplicando. The opposite of multiply is divide by 3.3. This turns into 1. This is negative because negative divided by positive is negative. And now let's divide. Remember, when you divide decimals, cuando dividen decimales, I have to move 1 over. And I do the same here. Y hago lo mismo. And I write it again. 33 into 1 is 0. 33 into 13 is 0. 33 into 132, let's try 4. 4 times. So W is greater than negative 4. So which ones do not have negative 4? ¿Cuál no tiene negativo 4? I can eliminate F and H. Now, to check your answer, para ver si están bien, pick a number. So here I'm going to the right, 6. Is 6 bigger than negative 4? Can 6, el 6 se puede comer el negativo 4? Yes. My answer is G. Positives are always bigger than negatives. Positivos siempre son más grandes que negativos. Number 22. Remember, translate what you know. Traduzcan lo que ya saben. The price of a DVD is $24 plus $8 in sales tax. What is the sales tax on the DVD in dollars and cents? So remember, when you go buy something, they charge you taxes. Cuando van a comprar algo, les cobran taxas. To find this, you have to turn the percent into decimal. Para encontrar esto, pongan el porcentaje a decimal. percent to decimal. I have 8%. And remember, I have to move it 2 times to the left. 1, 2. I have to add a 0. Agrego un 0. So my decimal is 0.08. Now I just multiply. Remember, when we multiply, I go here first. 32. 16 plus 3 is 19. Space. Then 0. Then 0. 291. How many are behind the decimal? 1, 2. ¿Cuántos hay detrás del decimal? 2. 1, 2. So my taxes is $1.92. That is my taxes. Así encuentran las taxas de lo que sea. If it said the total, si les dicen el total, you have to add 24 plus 192 so the total will be 2592 with the taxes. This is total. This is taxes. This is total. Well, let's say DVD plus taxes equals total. El precio del DVD, del video, más las taxes, y ese es el total. That is only if they ask the total for everything, el total de todo. It says a company's logo was designed using 3 different sizes. There's 3 different circles. Here's 1 circle, 1, 2, and then 1 big one, 3. Hay 3 círculos. There are 2 diameters, 1 diameter, 2 diameter. Remember, translate. Which measurement is closest to the area of the largest circle? What are they looking for? ¿Qué están buscando? Area, la área. Of what? ¿De qué? The largest circle. Which one is the biggest circle? ¿Cuál es el más grande? Pink, blue, or green? ¿Cuál es el más grande? The green circle. So here I'm going to draw a big green circle. Now area, remember, we're looking area of a circle. So area of a circle, I have area, la área, and then circles here. So I'm going to use A equals pi r squared. Let's go back down. Area equals pi r squared. What is pi? ¿Qué es pi? Ese símbolo. What number? 3.14. So now if I have the whole circle, the círculo grande, what is the diameter? If I have a big line, si tengo una línea grande, what is the diameter? All you have to do is add the numbers, suman los números, because you have this part here, tienen esta parte, and this part. So 6 plus 12 is 18. The diameter is 18 for the big circle. El diámetro es 18 para el círculo grande. Están sumando esta parte del diámetro y esta parte del diámetro. Now, the equation, la ecuación, la fórmula, is asking for radius. Is this my radius? ¿Ese es mi radio? No. Remember, radius is half, es la mitad. So what is 18 divided by 2? ¿Cuál es la mitad de 18? 9 centimeters. So my radius is 9. All we do now is plug in the numbers. Vamos a poner los números para las letras. Pi is 3.14. And then r is 9 squared. Remember, this is exponent, so that means that I multiply what? ¿Qué multiplico? How many times do I have 9? ¿Cuántas veces tengo este número 9? 2 times. I have 9 2 times, so 9 times 9. And what is 9 times 9? ¿Qué es 9 por 9? 81. 81. Can I cancel anything? Can I eliminate? ¿Puedo eliminar algo? If I have 81, yes, I can eliminate A. And now all we do is multiply. 3.14 times 81. Anything times 1 is always the same number. Se multiplican uno por cualquier número, siempre es el mismo número. 413. Leave a space. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 plus 3 is 11. 24, 25. Now I add. How many are behind the decimal? 2. 1, 2. My answer is D. 254.34. Very, very easy, easy, easy. Just follow your formula. Nada más sigan su fórmula. Number 27. 27. A group of students formed a circle during a game. Remember, translate whatever you can. Traduzcan lo que puedan rápido. Un grupo de estudiantes formaron un círculo durante un juego. The circumference, remember, circumference is key word, of the circle was about 43 feet. And the diameter was 14. The question, la pregunta es, which expression best represents the value of pi? ¿Cuál expresión best representa el valor de pi? So circumference, we talked yesterday about circumference. Hablamos ayer de del circumference. So let's go to your circumference and is asking for diameter. Diameter equals 14. Circumference equals 43.96. And it's asking for pi. Está preguntando por pi. So let's go to our equation for circumference. Here is circumference of a circle, de un círculo. Remember, if it has R, si tiene la R, it is for radius. If it's D, it is diameter. And we have diameter, so we're going to use this equation, the second one, la segunda. So C equals pi D. So my formula is C equals pi d. Now, what do we do to get pi by itself? ¿Qué hacemos para agarrar pi, el símbolo solo? What operation am I doing here? ¿Qué operación? Am I adding? Am I subtracting? Am I dividing? Or am I multiplying? Remember, if you don't see any symbols in the middle, si no ven ningún símbolo de operaciones, you are multiplying, están multiplicando. So what is the opposite of multiply? I have to divide by what? By d, because I want pi alone. Tengo que dividir por d porque quiero el símbolo solo de pi. So c divided by d equals pi. Now all you do is put the numbers. Pi equals, circumference is 43.96 over the diameter, and this is how I get pi. What is my answer? My answer is B. Very, very easy. Nada más está moviendo las letras. You're moving the letters to find one of them. You have to read. Tienen que leer. Number 28. It says the model represents an equation. El modelo representa una ¿qué? Ecuación. Remember, equations have 5 plus 10 equals 15. That's an equation. This is an ecuación. 5 más 10 me da 15. I can also say 3x minus 6 equals 10. That is an equation. This is una ecuación. What is the solution? What is la solución? So remember, in the middle is equals. What do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many x's do I have? I have 3 x's. And how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it positive or negative? Is positivo o negativo? It is positive, so plus 6. So my equation is 3x plus 6 equals 9. And now, remember to do this, my first step is take away the constant. What is my constant? The constant is always the number with no letter. Siempre es el número sin la letra. What is the inverse of plus? What is the opposite of plus? El opuesto de más is minus 6, minus 6. This cancels. 3x equals 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 menos 6 is 3. My second step is get x alone. I got an x solo. Do the opposite. So here I am multiplying. I am not adding. No estoy sumando. I am not subtracting. I am not adding. I am not dividing. No estoy dividiendo. So I have to multiply. The opposite of multiply, el opuesto de multiplicación, is divide. Divide by 3. Because you want x alone, quieren x solo. X equals to 3 divided by 3, 1. My answer is J. Mi respuesta es J.